Hi guys! Tara samahan niyo akong tikman itong Pobre Coffee Shop and this is located in 42 Pasito Avenue, San Pedro, Laguna. Grabe kung naghanap kayo ng masarap na coffee at talaga namang hindi masakit sa budget at talaga namang quality, I highly recommend this. Siyempre meron silang GCash payment. They also have soda series, iced coffee, and non-coffee. For as low as 49 pesos guys, grabe may masarap na kayong coffee dito and I highly recommend yung salted caramel. Alam mo, hindi talaga tinipid yung caramel nila dito and talaga namang nagko-complement siya sa lasa ng coffee. So for as low as 49 pesos only, I rate this 1,000 out of 1,000 yung salted caramel dito. And gusto ko rin itry of course yung macchiato nila dito kasi for sure another bestseller nila yun eh. So, ang nakakatawa lang din dito guys is meron din silang dine-in dito. So, yun lang. Bisitahin nyo rin ang Pobre Coffee Shop and this is located